What's good, YouTube? It's Charlie Mack, the owner of icedoutforever, and I'm finna show you how I made 4K in 3 days. Let's get it. Before we get into the video, I'm gonna give y'all 3 tips on how I got 4K in 3 days. 1 is marketing. Tip 2 is TikTok. Tip 3 is Instagram. Alright, to start off the process, I order off my sample from my manufacturer. Then I post at least 2 to 3 videos a day, spamming them. That's needed. I'm not gonna lie, that is needed. You want to get your product in everybody's face for real. So I spam TikTok, I spam Instagram Reels too, I'm not gonna lie. And then that's the organic way, of course, posting your story. Then I hit up Instagram ads or Facebook ads. Depending on the product, I might do Facebook. Depending on the product, I might do Instagram. It depends really. But I run Instagram, boost the post about like $10 to $15 a day, and see how that go. On my last drop, the rock style life hoodies, they sold out. Just doing the Instagram post. I didn't even have to do Facebook. Then next, this is a tip I haven't used yet, but I know this works. Close your website. This will help in the back end, because when you close your website, it's gonna say enter your email here for updates. That you're getting people emails, which you can contact them later with, which is very important. Very, very important. So yeah, make sure you do that. Close your website. Getting back to what I was saying, promote for at least 2 weeks straight, every day. If you can, a month straight. Whatever you selling, you want everybody to see it. So promote. Instagram stories, spam, I don't care, but promote. Personal Instagram, all that. If y'all want a full video on how to promote, let me know in the comment section down below. So now you promoted all this, you build up all this hype. Your product has to be fire. You can't have no mid product. I can't lie. So it has to be fire. Now it's time to drop. So when you about to drop, post the timer. You know the timer on Instagram. Post that. Make sure everybody know on your story to drop. You finna open your website, all of that. So drop time comes, you should get orders like crazy. So when I drop time come, it better ching Shopify. Oh yeah, another thing, make sure you're on Shopify. We got a whole tutorial coming out if y'all want to like this video. But yeah, and whole time this is a pre-order. You don't even have the bulk order. When you're getting all these orders in, you want to make the money to pay the manufacturer for the bulk order. So basically, say the manufacturer, say your bulk order is, let's say $1,200. You want to make $1,200 so you can pay the manufacturer, and then the rest is just strict profit. You see what I mean? So you doing that until you make that $1,200. Once you make that $1,200, everything is yours. Everything else is yours. So boom, close your website back. Okay, let's say you do it on the weekend, on Friday. You start off Friday, open your website, close your website that Sunday or Monday. Boom, it's over, right? Or you can have it for a whole week running. That's how I did. I had a whole week running. People just ordering to maximize the orders. So you do that, and once you're done, then that's when you order all your bulk order. Boom, tell your customers, oh, it will come 2 to 4 weeks. Make sure you have a reliable manufacturer when you do this, because there's men out there that will take months and years and all type of, no, we not trying to do that, bro. We trying to get it within a week or 2, so we can ship out everybody their packages, so each customer is happy. Okay, another thing, make sure your email and SMS marketing is up before you close the website, open the website. Make sure that's up, so when you collect all these emails, when you get abandoned carts, you can send them emails, oh, you forgot this hoodie in your cart, so they can go back, double back, and go get it. You know what I mean? So make sure your email and SMS marketing, you send them emails, and that could give you more money more orders too. Okay, so this whole time your manufacturer is making your bulk order, stay updated with your customers that, oh, manufacturers making a bulk order, orders in process right now, orders in production, all that. Make sure Your customers is always updated. Don't leave your customers clueless. That will make a customer never come back ever again. For real. Through this whole process, make sure your customer is updated. Email them, whatever you gotta do. DM them. If they DM you, DM them back. Make sure you got good communication. That's key. And then once the bulk order hit your house, let them know that. And then it's time to package each order. I got a video right here popped up. Boom. Look at me packaging the orders on my TikTok. Make sure you post on your TikTok, like behind the scenes and all that. Your customers want to see that for real. I'm telling y'all, cause I've been doing that since day one. So yeah, make sure you do that. Post everything for real about your brand. Package your orders, ship them out, and boom. It sounds easy, but it's a lot of work. It's not that hard though. I'm not gonna lie. It's not that hard. It just take a lot of effort and work, and you can get orders like that, orders like these. You could be going to the post office like that. You can go on UPS like that. Like, it takes time though, and it takes a good product. I'm not gonna lie. You're not just gonna hop in here and just with a banger. Some people be doing that, but it's because their product is a banger and TikTok viral. TikTok is so important. Like, that's number one key. I'm not gonna lie. So make sure you locked on that. I'm not gonna lie. Locked on it with great quality content. I'm not gonna lie. Cause I've seen so many brands pop off of TikTok. You know, like, it's so easy. Just be consistent. It sounds cliche, but be consistent. But I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Go visit the brand page, Instagram, TikTok, all that for me. Subscribe to the channel. I already said that. Comment down below what other videos I want. Peace. I'm gone.